Good morning, beloved of God Almighty. Good morning to you all. Good morning. Greetings to you, beloved. I miss you a lot. This morning, I want to come to you with another home remedy. You know, my name is Raimi. My name is Raimi, and feel welcome to watch my channel. Thank you so much watching my channel, sharing it, like it, and subscribe to it. This morning, all of you know, beloved of God, my good people, how life it is, how life strike us in 2020, 2021, 2022, especially 2021 and 2020, my good people. This pandemic called COVID-19 was horrible. I was one of the victims. I was sick with COVID. Today I can only thank the Lord. Thank the Lord Almighty. He is my healer. He is my healer. Through His stripe, I'm healed. I was so sick. I couldn't even pray. All I could get out of my mouth was like, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. I was just whispering alone in the house because nobody can come near by me. I was very sick. I went to the doctors before I locked myself in the house. They give me medication, which I use, but I found out that this medication is even making the thing worse, my sickness. So I stopped. I stopped to drink it. I asked the Lord, what now? What to do? Luckily for me, as you all know, I love home remedies. In my weakness, I walk to my cupboards, medicine cupboards, and I found that bottle, this one. There was only a little bit down the bottom. There was not much. But I managed to boil some water. And cover myself in it. If you're a Oshivambo speaking, you know what the grown-ups used to do. When you have a little cough, they will go take some herbs and cover you. And it's what I did because I don't have those herbs. I take this eucalyptus oil, and I cover me with it, and I inhale it, and I sleep off. Most of the time I was just sleeping. This is a good thing. Are you coughing too much? Are you having this problem of coughing? You cough non-stop. You can choose eucalyptus oil. Forgive me if I don't pronounce this eucalyptus oil correct, because the English is something else. Eucalyptus oil. Are you coughing? Use eucalyptus oil. It will silence the coughing. It will clear your chest. And it will coughing. Are you coughing but nothing is coming out? You know that dry coughing, dry. It look like something is itchy there, but you cough and nothing is really don't come out. Use eucalyptus oil. And it also can keep the bugs away. If you have too much bugs around you, you can use eucalyptus oil. What I used to do, or what I'm always doing. If I'm cleaning my house, especially the windows, I will put little bit of eucalyptus oil in the water, clean the windows to keep those mosquitoes, whatever, insect away. This infection wound, it disinfects the wound. Are you having the wound, cut wounds, whatever wounds? Just put little bit in the lukewarm water. Clean your wound. It will. They say you must not use eucalyptus oil direct on your skin. But my good people, me, I do it. Anyway, I do it. But maybe you are sensitive for this. You are sensitive and maybe you are allergic to things. Don't do it. Just use it in the water, in the warm, lukewarm water. In breathing easy, you can breathe easily. Like I told you, my COVID breathing was not my problem. My problem was this, my head. I was having this heavy head. When I use this inhaled it with warm boiling water, it must be boiling water. And you must cover you and make sure, if you just have a cold, make sure after you cover yourself and you steam yourself, make sure, my good people, that you are not going out. Don't keep the windows open. Any kind of wind must not come in. After steaming yourself, just take one painkiller. Get into the bed. Sleep. Sleep it off. Aspirin, met lemon. Those are the things you can use if you have this cold. Aspirin, met lemon. Cover you. Sleep. Stay in a dark room and you will see how beneficial is this eucalyptus oil. It can control your blood sugar. Okay? It can I don't know what I write down there. So uh, I can't see nicely, but anyway, all this, it's good. Eucalyptus oil. You have to pray. You have to ask the Lord. Not everything come easy, but by His stripe we are healed. It doesn't matter. Is that COVID threatening your life? Is that a cut wound? You can't control it. Most of the things, these home remedies, what we are doing is when you are far from the doctor. And as you know, emergency is very full these days. Privates are very expensive. If you have the knowledge to do home remedy, don't hesitate to do home remedy. By God's help, everything you are doing will come to your benefit. You will find the benefit of it. And then please don't forget to pray. Pray all the time. And don't forget to drink water. And don't forget to really see your doctor. Don't keep on with the home remedy. Home remedy is good until you found your doctor. My good people, have a nice, wonderful day. I see you when you see me. Bye.